Let me ask a very simple question. There are two scenarios. In scenario one, a company has all the privacy notices that they have their users sign. They follow all the legal principles around having their users go through their EULA, their privacy notices, and they have all that intact. They're basically informing their users that these companies, we will be carrying your sensitive data. But after all those privacy notices, every now and then, this company in this scenario exposes their users' data. And there are companies who have been exposing their users' data like clockwork every single year. Scenario two, there is a company that doesn't really care about privacy notices, although they should. But what they do is they really take care of their users' data. They properly secure their users' data. They know where their users' data is present. They also know, and they have mechanisms in place to ensure that that sensitive information is not present anywhere else. It's not present in someone's Google Drive directory or folder or OneDrive. It's not present in Slack or Zendesk and so on and so forth. Well, guess what? As a consumer, I much rather do business with this second company, even if they don't have all the privacy consent notices. And I would bet so would you.